Hey, welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. I'm Mike, and it's another, as you can see, beautiful day. We were cloud covered, 85% chance of rain yesterday, and we got zero drops of rain. So we are still very dry here. Anyways, enough with the weather. Today, I'm up at the wood yard, checking out what I need, and so, all right, well, what we got here is, I do have this guy, so what I'm doing is, I need to mill this one up, that one up, and even possibly, there's one there, I believe. So I need a bunch of 3/4 boards, 3/4 half-inch boards, and some 2-inch wide. So what's going on right now is I put pictures of my rabbit hutch on Marketplace and starting to get some bites on them. So I need to build this one right away. All right, guys. So kind of got my act together here. It's been a few minutes. But here we go. So got this log here, which I got the first 11 feet. It's not exactly nice and straight, and it's not big, but I can get 2x4s or battens out of it. And the rest of this snaky looking thing up to like right about in here is going to be firewood, and this is brush. While I'm here, I'm just going to run over there with the saw, cut firewood out of that, the longer pieces, and then all that brush is going to get stacked with this brush. And then at some point, if it ever rains, I'll be able to burn it. Seriously, Ruger? You had to poop right beside me? Seriously? God, you're a mess. He will not let you brush him. I mean, you will get bit. But, poor old guy. He is really slowed down. Thanks for pooping next to me. That's what you think of me, right? All right. sucks. That thing rocked over on me. Let me try to get this apart without too much cussing. Maybe I didn't have it clamped enough. Hell, I don't know. Definitely not something. Sure. Alright, well, that's junk. Okay. Alright, so this here is nothing. Firewood, maybe? Yeah. Okay, I got 2x4. How many of them did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3/4, 3/4 inch by 8.5. A 2x4 and 4 battens that are 3/4 of an inch by 2.5. So, yeah. Alright, let me put this stuff away. And I don't know, it's getting long in the tooth again today. So I might check you out tomorrow. Let's see. Good morning, everyone. Another day out here on the mill. I got that one log done yesterday afternoon. You can see the flags are straight out today. It is crazy windy. We're under a red flag today. There's not, look at this, like you can't even find a cloud. Man, we need the rain. So I do have my tripod set up for today. I have it actually weighted down. So I got a red oak on the, it's like 11 foot. Let's see what else. Actually, you know what? I have this tied down already. I might seriously need to push this forward a little bit. I might have to do that. And what else? This thing here is flopping around yesterday in the water. So I zip tied that down, and I sprayed my clutch again. So it did quit screaming. So anyways, I want to stop talking. I'm going to get milling. And yeah, because the more I talk, the longer the video gets. And I'm trying to keep them 15-20 minutes. Alright, there it is. Let's see, we got, hold on, let's get measure so I can tell you what we got out of that beast. That's a pretty small log. So we got, hang on, one-handed. So they're 7.5 by 11, 7.5 by 11, or 10.5, 11. So I got 5 of them. Then I got 2, got a little wane on them, but 5.5ers. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4 battens, which they're like, I think they're 2.5. And then I also got this 2x4, the one that's on the bottom right here, the long one. And I got this little 1/2-inch strip. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that thing. So, yeah, so it's coming along. It's coming along. I've got, so now what I do is I'll just take the skid steer. I got all those cut-offs. I'll just track over here to where my, if you watched my wood splitting video, I need to get rid of some more of that stuff so I can back in there to my splitter. I'll just take that down and move it on the other pile and grab another log. Let's see what we got here. So, alright, I'm going to do that and then we'll see where we're at. Oh, alright. Well, I finally get the camera out here. And now the wind has really picked up. And you probably can't hear that, but there are fire whistles. I mean, when the leaves are off the trees, it really, I mean, you can hear fire whistles from a very, very long ways away. So it is absolutely crunchy here. Ay, ay, ay. So, now I got enough. Actually, when I took those over, I got all that slab wood out of the way. So all I gotta do is hand pick some stuff and I can get my side-by-side back in there. So I put this little dude on. I'm not going to show any more milling. I'm just going to try to get this done. I actually turned the camera on to show you how bad the wind and the dust is here. So, anyways, alright. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. This is how, you make money on, hopefully you make money on the homestead, from the homestead, on the homestead, from the homestead. So you got to do like several, you basically have to have several avenues of money coming in to support yourself. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I really, really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. Share it with your friends who like this kind of content. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.